Welcome. If you're looking to control who can mention you on Pinterest, especially after the latest update, you've come to the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable mentions only from people you follow on Pinterest using your PC. This is a great way to keep your notifications relevant and avoid unwanted tags from strangers. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find the main menu. Scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Settings. Click on it to open your account settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several tabs or sections. What you want to do next is find and select Social Permissions. This section is dedicated to managing how others interact with your profile, including mentions. Under Social Permissions, look for the Mentions setting. Here, you'll see different options that control who can mention you in their posts or comments. To limit mentions to only those people you follow, select the option that says Only People You Follow. This means that only your followed accounts can tag you, helping you maintain a more personalized and controlled experience on Pinterest. After selecting this option, don't forget to click the Save button at the bottom or top of the page to apply your changes. This step is crucial because if you leave without saving, your preferences won't be updated. And that's it. You've successfully enabled mentions from only the people you follow on Pinterest using your PC. This update is perfect for anyone wanting to reduce spammy mentions and keep their Pinterest interactions more meaningful. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to enhance your Pinterest experience. Happy pinning!